Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable real-time enhanced protection in Chrome web browser for computers and smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you on the respective computer. So firstly just open the Chrome web browser and now just click on this three dot icons on the right top corner. Now just click on the settings. Now on the left side you will see here privacy and security, just click on it. Now on the right side you will see here security option, just click on it. Now you will see here the safe browsing and below you will see here different options. So the first option is enhanced protection. So if this option is not enabled, then just select it to enable it, and below there are some more options. So this is how you can enable the real-time enhanced protections in the Chrome browser for computers. So now let's jump to the mobile devices. So now on your respective smartphone, once again just open the Chrome web browser and just click on the three dot icons. Now just click on the settings option. Now you will see your privacy and security option, just click on it and just scroll down below. Now you will see your safe browsing option, just click on it. So now similarly you will see the same option, the enhanced protections, which is the real-time enhanced protection options, and there are more options. So if this option is not enabled, then just enable it. So by using these methods you can easily enable real-time enhanced protection in Chrome web browser for computers and smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.